Hi guys, and this is PassWise. Since malapit na ang April 2025 Civil Engineers Licensure Examination, magbibigay kami ng problem from the past boards exam. So for today's video, ang ating problem ay about hydraulics and principles of geotechnical engineering, and nagmula ito noong May 2019. So ito ang situation. A sample of saturated clay has a water content of 56%. Assume specific gravity is equal to 2.72, compute the following. The void ratio of the sample. So, ngayon, kapag may nakita kayong problem na ang given is water content and a specific gravity, dapat ang unang pumapasok sa isip nyo ay ang relasyon na to. The specific gravity, the water content, is equals to the saturation and the void ratio. So, ito ay dinerive sa unit phase diagram. Pero, since we are in the board exam, kailangan kabisado na natin to. So, GW is equals to SE. Ngayon, i-identify natin yung problem upang malaman natin ang tamang sagot sa problem na ito. So, sabi dito, ang kanya daw specific gravity is equals to 2.72. So, 2.72. Okay? Then, the water content is equals to 56%. So, take note, kapag ginamit nyo yung formula na to, dapat naka-decimal yung water content nyo, degree of saturation nyo, and the void ratio. So, ngayon, since 56%, we can say that it is equals to 0.56. Then, ang hinahanap is the void ratio. Ano ang ating degree of saturation? So, since sa problem, sinabi, a sample of saturated clay. So, it means na yung degree of saturation nyo is 100%. So, therefore, it is equals to 1. So, by calculation, E, or void ratio, is equals to 2.72 multiplied by 0.56. Dapat, alam niyo na yung formula na yan. So, let's compute. 2.72 times 0.56, and the void ratio will be equals to 1.52. So, this is the answer for the first item. For the next item, let's move on. The second questions will be what is the saturated unit weight in kilonewton per cubic meter? So, since nasa board exam ulit tayo, kailangan kabisado nyo na yung mga formula ng unit weights, dry unit weights, saturated unit weight, and the moist unit weight of the soil. So, sa akin, kasi in terms of my board exam, kinabisado ko lang yung kaunting formula na yun. So, ito yung formula na kinabisado ko. Moist unit weight is equals to GS, or the specific gravity, plus degree of saturation, multiply by void ratio, over 1 plus void ratio, multiply by the unit weight of the water. So, hindi ko na i-derive to kasi na-derive na siya sa unit phase diagram. So, this is a quick video lamang upang magsagot tayo ng past boards. So, ngayon, ang hinahanap is the saturated unit weight. So, ngayon, ba't ito lang yung kinabisado ko? Kasi nandito na lahat ng formula. Again, yung moist unit weight na yan, kapag itong sinabing saturated unit weight, ang gagawin mo lamang is i-equals mo lang ito sa 1. Kasi nga, saturated. So, naman, kapag sinabi naman dry unit weight, it means na yung degree of saturation mo is equals to 0. Okay? So, mawawala lang tong S na to. So, magiging ganito siya kapag dry unit weight, magiging formula niya is GS YW over 1 plus E. And kapag naman saturated unit weight, ang magiging formula naman niya is GS plus E over 1 plus E YW, or unit weight of water. So, since ang hinahanap natin is saturated unit weight, ngayon, masasubstitute na natin siya. So, ang GS natin is equals to 2.72. So, YSAT 2.72 plus yung void ratio natin kanina, which is equals to 1.52 over 1.52 plus 1, ayun, pinagbaliktad ko lang, multiply by 9.81. So, pag ginawa natin siya sa calculator, again, 2.72 plus 1.52 over 1.52 plus 1 multiply by 9.81, and the answer will be 16.5, which is letter A. So this is the answer for this item. So 16.5. And for the next situation, ito yung question. The porosity of the soil in percent. So actually, merong relationship ang porosity at ang void ratio. So kailangan sa board exam, kabisado nyo na to para hindi na kayo mag-derive ng mga formula. So first, the formula for porosity, ito lang yan, is E over 1 plus E. And for void ratio, ang formula naman niya is N over 1 minus N. So, yun lang yung pinagkaiba nilang dalawa. Para makuha mo si void ratio at para makuha mo si porosity. So, since ang hinahanap natin dito is the porosity of the soil in percent, we need to use this formula. Okay? So, by substitution, porosity is equals to, di ba, void ratio natin is 1.52. Over lang siya sa 1 plus 1.52. Yan. And by calculator, by using calculator, 1.52 over 1 plus 1.52. And since sabi, in percent daw, sige, equals muna natin. So, makukuha natin is 60.31. 0.6031. So, we need to multiply this by 100 para maging percentage siya. So, times 100. And ang makukuha nating answer is 16.3. Which is, ang pinaka-closest na sagot is 60.4. So, therefore, the final answer will be letter A. Again, guys, this is PassWise. Maraming salamat sa inyong pakikinig. Subaybayan nyo pa kami sa pagre-release ng mga tanong from past boards exam. Good luck sa magte-take sa April 2025. Galingan nyo, future engineers. Padayon!